Today we have some interesting ingredients laid out in front of us, and we're gonna be doing something kind of cool. The Armpit Detox.
Woo!
We've been reading a lot online recently just about different masks that you can put on your armpit, so we wanted to put it to the test and see how it actually performs. I'm pretty stinky right now, so I can definitely test out this Armpit Detox and see how it does. Zena?
I'm in the process of switching to natural deodorants, and I heard that this is a good thing to do as you're doing that, and that it can help make your natural deodorants more effective. So, down to try. Let's get it mixing. The recipe that we looked up has bentonite clay. We're using the Aztec Secret brand. And you do a tablespoon of this, and I heard it's important not to use any metal materials as you're using this because, I don't know.
It reacts with vinegar.
Oh, with the vinegar? I thought it was with the clay. Okay. So
I think the clay and vinegar together, you just don't want to have the metal in there because it can react.
Use plastic or wood or whatever. Oh, God. Oh,
It's a
God.
secret.
It's a secret. The secret's out. Okay, so we're going to do a tablespoon of that. Voila. So we're going to do about a teaspoon of this. I'm just going to use whatever. We're going to do, I feel like measuring recipes for your armpits is a lot less low stakes than measuring for like consuming.
Baking.
Yeah. Okay, so we're going to add a teaspoon of that. Ooh! It fizzes. I don't know if you can tell.
I can hear it.
Okay. Now we're gonna add a teaspoon or two of water, it said. And the recipe I consulted recommended getting a sour cream-like consistency.
Because you want it to be able to stay in your armpit and dry.
Okay, so I think that gives us a pretty decent consistency.
Yeah,
Sarah.
that's good.
Okay, so we're gonna use these very official
Armpit detox brushes.
Armpit detox brushes that, before you ask, will not be used for food purposes later. I guess we just spread. Okay. Oh boy. Ah!
It's cold and refreshing.
Oh, it's kind of, This is weird. I'm just trying not to get any on my clothes. Honestly.
What a smell combo. Give your armpit a sniff. It's
my
a very
RBO plus.
Now how do I do this one?
Oh yeah. Tricky. I see your. Okay. I'm so glad I'm not shave my armpits today. You know what the most awkward part of this is gonna be?
Drying?
Yeah. How do you let this dry?
I think like this.
Just like that? Did I get good coverage over this?
Yeah.
Am I looking okay?
Yours is nice. It's got some nice. Looks like that Zen garden that they do with the rakes.
Do you want to spell out each other's initials in our armpits? Okay, so now that this is on, we're gonna wait 10 minutes to let it dry and do its thing. Hang out here. Okay, so it has been 10 minutes. We're gonna go and rinse this stuff off. See how we did. Okay, so I will just say that was a little more complicated to get off than I thought it would be, and required
It's a little aggressive.
some aggressive scrubbing. So just be warned. That part I don't know how I felt about.
But the armpits are feeling real soft.
It does feel very soft and like very clean. Like it's like a baby armpit, like a little baby armpit that's never sweated before in its life.
Overall, I enjoyed the experience.
I don't know that I would do that like every week or however often you're supposed to.
Maybe what would be a better way to do it is to put it on and then go in the shower. And the other cool thing you can do too
We're
is
also at work, so
you can put it on your face. So you could do like pit mask, face mask, let it dry, and then go in the shower.
Yeah.
That's probably how I would do it.
fair enough. I think this is a good thing to try in the transition to natural deodorants. Like I said, I feel like my pits have like a nice clean basis now from which to proceed. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Comment below if you've tried the armpit mask, if you have any suggestions, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.
I don't know if this will ever actually dry because I'm profusely sweating.